Kit4Kids returned for the 2021-22 season, which gave two Derbyshire-based junior football teams the chance to win a brand new kit, courtesy of Eden Tyres Servicing. Ahead of the new 2022-23 season, both teams were invited down to Pride Park Stadium to be surprised with their new kit. In order to show off their new strip, two familiar faces in first-team captain Curtis Davis and Derby County women's captain Hannah Ward met the teams to share their experience, while also finding out how the new kits will help the teams ahead of the new campaign.
Kids, you alright? You're allowed to come in, lads. You can come in. You're right. So, you're right. Let's go wearing this kit.
So do we all know what numbers we normally play in? There you go.
Yeah, that's going to be a twist. I can't make it. Oscar, did you get it? Yeah.
In partnership with Eden Tyres Servicing, Kit4Kids will return during the 2022-23 season. Please keep an eye on dcfc.co.uk for more information.